got these Rayban Meta Smart glasses. It has this yellow tint.
What?
I thought I got the clear glasses when I record, if I move too fast or something. I know it's not going to be iPhone quality, but I at least want it to look somewhat, somewhat decent. But I'm going to go outside and I'm going to see what it looks like and try to record and take some pictures before I return them, because these things was $2.99. Well, $3.30 with taxes and shipping and all that stuff, because I did the express shipping. And I'm not gonna waste my money on these. So far, like you saw in my other video, I'm not really feeling them. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna see how they perform.
Super tornado siren. Maggie.
I got love you. I'm finna stop.
What'd you say?
I want finna stop.
You said finna stop.
For that. Wait, what can I get for you?
Yes, can I get 2 spicy soft tacos? All right, so right here, we're walking in the Greenville Mall in South Carolina. The mall looks old as hell. Like I was telling him in the video, it needs to be updated. But anyway, you can see the transition from coming from outside to the inside. And I didn't know that I moved my head from side to side so much. So, but anyway, this is what it looks like. So right now, we're going to go into Sephora. I wanted to try some new makeup. And this is the lady testing out my skin. Ugh, what is that? Like, my skin looks burnt. I don't know. But anyway, the color match was all wrong. So we sat up there and we tried different shades. She was real nice. And Kahari, he was helpful too, because he was able to sit there and tell me what color works and what color doesn't. Because every time I put on some freaking makeup, he always tells me, this too light, it's too dark, it's too dark, it's too light. So why not come with me and show me, help me. So he did a good job. He also had on the glasses because I wanted you guys to see what it looks like from, somebody else filming or whatever. But yeah, just check it out and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Of course I'm full of myself. Who should I be full of? You? Come on. In this 2024, of course I'm full of myself. Look at all of this. Hello? Let me pour this sweet champagne inside here. Come on, baby. You need to be full of yourself. It's 2024. Come on, there's so much to love. There's so much to love here. There's so much success to enjoy here. There's so much beauty to see here. Of course I'm full of myself. Who should I be full of? Come on.
All right, so now I'm in Forever 21. I found this little jacket that I like, and I decided to put on the glasses so you guys can see what it looks like. It's cool. This is us trying to get some food before we go in for the night. This little Tesla right here, I think this was a wrap. It was real pretty, really pretty. As you can see, it was foggy and crazy looking outside, but the glasses still picked up nice. But anyway, thanks for watching.